Good morning, everybody. Hi, everybody, please mute your microphone. Everybody, please mute your microphone. Let me see who are not muted. Okay, because you are in class 3. Oh. Good morning, everybody. Why are you muted me? Please don't mute me. If you mute me, then you cannot listen to me. Okay? Lisa, can you listen to me? Okay, I am fine, beta. Reza, how are you? Just Lisa, please write yes. Okay. So, Magic Garden, last day I have taught you Magic Garden from your Marigold. So, there you have already read that some flowers are there and they are happy because actually this garden is in the school. And why the flowers are happy? Because all the little gardeners, like the children of the school, they watered in their cans, and also they watered to the thirsty root of the flowers. Not only they have watered, they are digging the ground well. So the flowers are very happy. And after that also, little bird also, they are also very happy. So the little bird, why they are happy? Because they are happy. At the same time, the children are giving the bread crumbs, little bit breads also to them. And Chandrama, yes, good morning, Chandrama. I think please listen to this and also write. Also, I'll write for the today's spelling, or if you don't know any meaning, I'll write the meaning also. Okay, meaning, and at the next time question answer. So here, after that, the flowers, they must work hard for the dresses because the children love to see the flowers. And one thing, hey, why are you doing like this? Always they are sometimes removing everybody. Why? Please don't touch any that gadgets, any machines, any things. Please look at the board and listen to me. So here children came with laughing, singing, and also they have watered the marigold, pansy. They praised the beauty of pansy, marigold, everybody's, and after the fairies came. So that's why it's a magic garden. Fairies came, why? Because they love children. Okay. Why did the flowers love the little children? Why did the flowers love the little children? And also spelling and meaning, I am just writing some only little meaning. After that, if you don't know, please tell me the, like this gardener, person, a person or the person, whatever you can, a person who take care of the garden. Next one, Sudeshna, we are missing you, not only you, everybody. Sudeshna, Lisa, Devosmita, everybody we are missing, beta. Ayush, Devopriya, everybody is telling good morning. I told you, please now write. Okay. Next, pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty means beautiful. Pretty means beautiful or very nice. And poppy, I told, poppy, marigolds, they are season flower. Tiny means, last day also I have written, tiny means very little. Lifted, L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted means raised, R-A-I-S-E-D, raised. Lifted its head very proudly. And after that, sun shines, you know that. Sunshine means the sunlight of, light of the sun, okay, light of the sun. So all these things, and anything. Yes, please say the question and answer of the magic gardens. I will write, beta. First I will write the meaning. Why you are in hurry? I will write, obviously I will write. Slowly you should write. Now you are having time. Also, meaning also you should know very nicely. Okay. Ayush, any meaning if you want to know, please write that meaning you don't know. Anybody please? If you don't know any meaning, please write that. Please write fast. Light of the sun already. Slippery. Slippery means actually the place is okay, golden means the color of gold, yellow color. Dream. In our night time or sometime imagination we can dream it, okay. Unconscious mind we can just, and thirsty means that for that we are having, okay. Slippery I told, slippery means it is a very watery things we can tell that. Stood, stand for stood, and thirsty means we have to drink water, okay. Asking for drinking water. Thirsty means, just I told that, Lisa, for that tiny, I last day told tiny means little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Thirsty means wanting of water. Okay, I will write T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty means want of water. Or want to drink water. Want to drink water. Stood, stand. Stand for the past tense of fairies means spirit. In English we can tell spirit. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. We can tell the spirit. Indeed means just this moment. Okay. This moment we can tell indeed. Okay, now we can go to the question answer. I think everybody has written. Now we can go to the question answer. Number 1. Why did the flowers love the little children? Answer is there. Tiny, I told Indrakshi, very little. L-I-T-T-L-E. I have written. Why did the flowers love little children? The flowers Okay, I will write the little children love, little children watered with their cans to the thirsty thirsty roots of flowers plant we can light and dug the grounds. Dug the ground so well, so, comma, the flowers loved them. Loved them. Again I am telling, the little children watered with the cans to the thirsty roots, thirsty thirsty roots of flower plant and dug the ground well. Full stop. So the flowers loved them. This heading I am just rubbing that. Question number 2. Question number 2 I am writing. Please everybody should write that question number 2, question number 1. I want to see you. See that copy now also after that. Okay, please. Why did the birds love the children? Question number 1 I am rubbing. Question number 1 I am rubbing. Not answer number 1. So answer number 2. The children gave bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, to the bird. To the birds. So, full stop. So, the birds loved them. Next, why should this not number 1? Answer number 1 I have already told. The little children watered with the cans to the thirsty roots of flower plant and dug the ground well. So, comma, the flowers loved them. Question number 2. Why did birds love the children? The children gave bread to the birds, so the birds loved them. Question number 3. Please write everybody. Who is not muted? Who? Kritika Pal. Why Kritika? You are in class 3. Oshmit, you cannot hear it. Please write that. Everybody should write. So answer number 1 I am rubbing this. Question number 3. Question number 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. answer is that the name of the 5 flowers are oh, who is muted me? Who is muted me? I am telling always, please don't unmute me, don't mute me. Who are doing like this? BMS class means I am just doing. Next time if I see anybody is muted, Indrakshi, Lisa, please notice that. Tell me that name who has muted me. Let me see, I will complain against that. Kritika muted me. Kritika is unmuted, then muted me also. Oh. Okay, I am not. Please write that. I want to show your copy. Please let me see. Please write that. The children gave bread to the birds, so the birds loved them. Name the 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. The naming of the 5 flowers are. Name of the 5 flowers are. Yes, Lisa, please now write all these things. 5 flowers are pansy, poppy, marigold, repeat, I have already told. Here children gave bread to the birds, so the birds loved them. And number 3, the name of the 5 flowers are pansy, poppy, marigold, sunflower, and here we have seen that also roses are there. Roses, sunflowers and roses. So 5 flowers are pansy, poppy, marigold, sunflower. Then this question number 4 I will write next day. So those who have completed. Indrakshi, why I cannot? I am here, but I am just side because you can see me. Again I am telling name of the 5 flowers are pansy, poppy, marigold, sunflower and roses. Those who have completed, please show me the answer. Sudeshna Pal has completed. Yes. Show me the answer. Open your front camera and also show me the answer. Shomagni has completed. Aditya, you did not complete. Why, beta? You cannot see the. Shomagni has given. Shaptarshi, please show me. From the first question answer I am just telling. Again, please listen to me. First, why did the flowers love the children? Because the little children waters with their cans to the flower plant and dug the ground well. So, the flowers loved the little children. Then why did the birds love the children? The children gave bread to the birds, so the birds loved them. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. The name of the 5 flowers are pansy, poppy, marigold, sunflower and roses. Okay, Ankita, show me. Lisa has also, Ovidup has sent that. Riddhi, please show the answer. Yes, Ovidup, good. Ankita, Deboshmita, everybody has given me. Okay. Lisa also again sent. Okay, thank you, beta.